right back to another one. And today, guys, we're going to be going out to the river and hooking in to some walleyes.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Try it.
13 inches.
Alright.
What?
Said he was 13?
Yeah.
Well, he was a keeper.
I thought a keeper was 14.
No, 13.
Oh. Oops. I thought 14 was keeper. Tip and the tail.
13 and a quarter.
My pathogen, my unit. Oh, well, you know.
He's in there now. Oh.
$14.
Shoot, son.
He's a keeper.
Try to get one out without getting fish slime on them all.
Just rip it out with your teeth. Instead of getting fish.
15.
They are to you, but if they're 13, I'll take them off your hand.
Oh, thanks. He bought 13 and a quarter. Sweet.
See, I told you that don't open. You.
He felt a lot better. Sure, why not?
No, tape. So how do you work this one? Tape?
Tape's on the side.
Yeah, I see it. Hey. How do you go? Okay. See how. I don't know if this is gonna be a 13 inch.
I'm pretty sure he is.
Oh, he's like just there.
He's 13.
You just barely made it, dude.
He's a 13. Well, I got 2 to eat tonight.
Videos for when you're out in the woods hunting?
Yeah, I got them 2 bucks that I shot on camera.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
That's
Try to catch me howling at the moon. will you find me? I'll be back home soon. When the sunrise, when the sun
did enjoy that walleye fishing video. We did catch quite a few walleye. I would say we probably caught 60 plus walleye. They were only this big though, and our jigs were this big. I have no idea how that happened. Anyways, here's a tiny chunk of the walleye. There was not very much left of it. I cooked the rest of it that day, and it was pretty fire, so let's get a taste test. That tastes really good, guys. It tastes like any other walleye I had. That Andy's batter, guys. If you guys are looking for batter, Andy's batter is the way to go. That stuff is amazing. Well, guys, that walleye was really good. I'm definitely wanting to go. We're going to go sometime sooner. We're going to go catch some more 9-pounders like we did the other time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please smash that like button. Subscribe, leave a comment down below what type of videos you guys want next. Peace out and have an amazing rest of your guys' day.